Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing great. And if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So today I will be bringing you guys some information that could possibly help you get a payday loan with little to no credit. Okay. Now today we have Money Mutual, where they help people get payday loans. So you can get a payday loan from $100 all the way up to $5,000. Okay. So Money Mutual is a lending network that allows you to find and compare several loan offers with a simple 5-minute pre-qualification form. So the good thing about this is you can be pre-qualified before they send out any of your information upon approval. Okay. Lenders on the platform offer up to $5,000 with same day approval and direct deposits by the next business day. Plus, it has a really relaxed eligible requirements for people with bad credit and people with little to no income. So if you only earn a minimum as low as $500, you could be approved. Okay. Now, like I had mentioned, you can get up to $5,000 in your account in as little as 24 hours. Now, their form is quick, simple, with fast lender decisions, which means they hurry up and get your information out to see what lender would like to work with you in your situation. Now, this is safe and secure process and site. Now, again, Money Mutual is not a lender. They just help you find the right kind of payday loan that fits your needs. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get more into it about their website, how it works. Like I said, you provide your information, fill out their simple and fast and secured form, and they send your information to the people or to other lenders that is willing to work with you within minutes. Now, the lenders do review your information. Your information is reviewed by lenders instantly to determine if they would like to work with you. Each lender follows their own previous established requirements to make a decision. Okay, if a lender decides they will work with you, you will be redirected to their website where you can complete the lender's form, review the loan term, and if agreeable to you, accept your loan and get your money in as little as 24 hours. Okay. Now, if a lender is able to make an offer, you agree to work with them, they may be able to deposit the funds directly into your bank account as little as 24 hours. Okay. So, this really could be a good start if you are looking for some extra cash, some extra monies. We all know the holidays are coming up, depending on when you are watching this video. Again, Money Mutual is not a lender. They just point you in the right direction to be able to get a loan up to $5,000. Okay, so it's pretty simple and easy and basic. Their application, well, not application, but their processing form is very simple. If you go ahead and get started, let's try that again. We're going to go ahead and hit get started. They're going to ask you what state do you live in. I'm going to say California. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Now, their information shows, or the information on here shows you the steps in completing your form. So it will start off with your first name, last name, your email address, your zip code, and of course, agreeing to your terms and the conditions, and then pretty much go forward from there. So if you guys are looking for a payday loan with a limit as high as $5,000, Money Mutual could point you in the right direction. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.